Dowding Industries, located in Eaton Rapids, has transformed its decades-long expertise in machining technologies and repositioned itself on the cutting edge of the rapidly developing wind industry.
There was a downturn in 2000, and during that downturn, we decided we were going to hire people and buy machinery. And so when this downturn came, we had already made the decision to move forward into some other technologies, and we thought that alternative energy was a growing technology. And we saw ways to improve this, technologies that were not available, that we brought into this market that we think has some real opportunity to grow. We are developing some things for the future that have not been seen in the world today, and will be very exciting for what happens with technology advances that will cross into automotive type technologies, infrastructure, the military, many different ideas that have come out of this of where materials are going in the next 10 years.
In 2008, Dowding invested $9 million in a new 38,000 square foot facility and bought 3 multi-million-dollar pieces of equipment to machine large wind turbine parts weighing in excess of 40,000 pounds.
This is our wind facility. We built this for wind technologies, and we've just advanced it. These castings in the background are about 20 tons. It's not anything for a small room. We need the ceiling height, we need the big machines, and we can do parts in here up to 85 feet long.
Dowding Industries was the recipient of the Michigan Manufacturers Association 2011 Small Tier Manufacturer of the Year Award.
I came to Dowding in 1997 as a salesperson and saw an opportunity to grow the business into some other areas that we were not in, some fabrication and machining industries. And it took about 3 or 4 years. We began to take off, and now we have 4 facilities. One's in Iowa and 3 of them are here, and we've grown pretty well in the last 10, 15 years.
Dowding and its subsidiary, Australia's Wind Energy, have developed new technologies that will drastically lower production time required in the manufacture of wind turbine hubs and automate the manufacturing process for wind turbine blades.
This is traditional technology that was always existent for machining hubs. And this is what we bought when we first built the facility to do these hubs. And it's about a 30-hour process on here. We evaluated a way that we thought we could do this better, but the machine did not exist. So we had this machine specially built for us. And this is called a Megaflex machine. This is 3 boring mills, and instead of having a single spindle working on this part at one time, we have 3 spindles attacking each side simultaneously, which absolutely reduces the machining time from 30 hours down to 4.5 hours. This is a revolutionary way of thinking in machining large components. And since then, we've had companies coming in saying, we never thought about machining like this, and we could adapt a machine to our type facilities for doing large work.
These new era manufacturing techniques will lead to lower production costs of wind turbines and is helping make Astraeus a global player.
We are doing record numbers right now. You hear about what's down and what's not working. I can't point to any of that here. We're hiring people. This economy is growing for us. We're doing record numbers of volumes, sales volumes. We've never done these kind of record numbers before. This is very exciting, and these awards like this of being recognized for something you're doing, these technologies are kind of under the blanket. People don't know they're out there, and for it to be recognized lets the public know and lets people in the industry know what's happening in these new technologies that are being birthed.